Hello, I welcome all of you learners and educators from whole wide world to share an exciting extension of Certify, where creating, managing, and customizing certificates is easier than ever. Whether you are an educator or a corporate trainer or a program administrator, UpCertify enables you to acknowledge achievements with professional and personalized certificates. You can choose from a wide range of default templates, professionally designed and ready to use. These templates save you time and effort while delivering certificates with a polished and sophisticated look. Or you can use any default template as is, or customize it to suit to your specific needs by using template option. You can add personal touches as such as your branding, organization's logo, or unique design elements with these options available here. General, media, and elements. General contains the General contains the a title of the certificate. So the title is updated here. We can edit that again. And in the media section, you can choose from a variety of background to enhance your design. Whether you are using a default template or creating a custom design, these options allow you to make a lasting impression. Then, in the attachment section, you can add distinctive features such as signatures, seals, or decorative elements. These small details ensure every certificate looks professional and conveys authenticity. Then you can make your certificates dynamic by adding placeholders or fields like student name, tutor name, dates, and more according to your own platform. Drag and drop tools simply simplify the process, ensuring every recipient gets a personalized certificate. For instance, I want to drag another thing. For instance, tutor tagline. So this is available here. I can drag and drop it anywhere I want on the certificate, and that will be implied there as well. There are many other attributes as well. You can add anything you want to add as per your convenience and as per your requirements. So once you're done with all of these customizations, your certificate will be ready. You can use it for your learners, reuse it as a template, or continue refining it to fit your future needs. Another thing, if you want to create a custom certificate, if you want to create a new certificate, we can click on create, enter the title, create, and same features will be available here as well, just like I've shown you in the previous one. So for the general tab, the title will be updated, session completion, and for the media tab, okay, this session is completed. We can edit this template. And for the media tab, background and attachments are available. You can add any background and you can add any attachment you want. You can rotate it, you can copy it as well to create another one, to create a duplicate one, and you can delete it also. And okay, so for the background and for the attachment, if you want to add your own background, if you want to add your own file, you can do it from the plus sign as well. You can click here to upload the respective file, and that particular background will be applied. And for the element section, likewise, all the attributes are created here. You can click on any of them to drag and drop. And if you want to add a custom message, I'll click on custom, and a custom message will be applied here. If I want to add a custom message, I can just edit it and add whatever I want to add here as my own customization. So in this way, you can create your own certificate and to fulfill your according to your needs and requirements. And UpCertify empowers you with tools to create impactful and meaningful certificates that leave a lasting impression.